Hello there, welcome back to a weather update today. Right now we have enhanced risk severe weather today and tomorrow. Today's looking to be more significant right now as we have a significant risk in place today for wind and hail. Tomorrow there's also a wind risk as two MCSs are going to be blowing through portions of Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, even portions of Missouri, heading to Ohio too. That's why there's a tornado threat also for Ohio. And then also on day 3, we have another risk that could potentially be something in the long term. Right now, it's only a marginal risk somehow, but I'm expecting it in the next Outlook update. It's going to become a slight risk. So apart from that, let's get right into it. Anyways, right now, look, we have for today, we have enhanced risk across severe weather across Iowa, Minnesota, and also portions of Wisconsin, and also a small area of Illinois. And then also we have a slight risk across Iowa, and then Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois. And then a marginal risk across Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, and also portions of small area of Missouri, heading into Arkansas too. Looking at day 2, we have an enhanced risk to weather across small area of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and also we have a slight risk across Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, West Virginia, New York, Pennsylvania. And also we have marginal risk across Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Indiana, Michigan, West Virginia, Ohio, Pennsylvania, small area of Maryland, New York. Looking at day 3, we have a marginal risk across South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado, small area of Wyoming, and also Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, and then Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, Vermont, and then New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, and then Rhode Island, Connecticut, and New York. Looking at the probabilistics right now, we have 5% tornado, 30% significant wind, 30% significant hail. Right now, NMCS is expected to be developing as a cap breaks over portions of Iowa later today, around 20Z and after. Right now, it's depicting that it's going to be moving more eastward, and it's going to be causing some damaging winds are going to be on the line, large hail, maybe up to 2 inches, and maybe a couple brief spin up tornadoes along with this. That's why there's a 5%. This is going to be something to be monitored, as we could be seeing a couple also significant gusts over 75 miles per hour, and also large hail over 2 inches in diameter. It's going to be something that's going to be, we'll be tracking all night. We'll supply with everything. This is going to be having a potential impact on TGHQ, so you get to see what else kind of like, I suppose. I don't know. And then also, if we're looking at the probabilistics tomorrow, we have 5% tornado, 30% wind, 15% hail. Also, we have a marginal risk across Louisiana associated with a tropical low, 5% wind, 2% tornado. I didn't say it previously, but I'm just going to say that. However, though, another MCS is going to be developing over Illinois. It's going to be spreading eastward. Many rounds of strong severe thunderstorms are possible as more waves are going to be developing along that cold front. And yeah, right now we could be seeing again scattered to maybe even widespread damaging wind gusts, maybe a couple tornadoes, especially in Ohio. And we're looking at the best buoyancy, and also large hail can't be ruled out too. It's gonna be more of an overnight event again, like tonight. Today's enhanced risk, and again, it's gonna be plowing eastward. It's gonna be producing again large hail, damaging winds, maybe a couple tornadoes. But yeah. I also forgot to say that there's a marginal risk across Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, and Florida on day 3, and we have 5% probabilistics. I'm expecting the later outlooks for that marginal risk across Northeast is going to be upgraded, as we're looking potentially at something I don't know, something potentially worthy of getting at least a slight risk or enhanced risk. We'll see if I'll models continue to be consistent about this, and if it is, I'd be safe to expect an upgrade within the next couple of days, as we have another. The shortwave trough is definitely going to be bringing the headlines across most of the Midwest and the Northeast the next couple of days. So we'll continue to monitor all this following, and yeah. Anyways, that's really it for today's weather update right now. We have a lot to be going over. We're going to be covering even more. We have a slight risk of excessive rainfall tonight, tomorrow, and a moderate risk on day 3 associated with the tropical low that's right now in the Gulf of Mexico that will likely become a tropical system. In fact, we'll cover all that in the later weather update, but this weather update is going to be more focusing on the potential severe weather that's going to be taken on later today and to tomorrow and the day 3 too. So apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.